Hi beautiful people, Chef Jamie here, back with another mind-blowing recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple pie. I'm going to show you how to make the pie crust from the comfort of your home. That sounds good, right? I'd like you to stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video to get the best out of this recipe. Let's go, guys. We're starting with our pie crust. As it is resting, we'll go ahead to make the apple pie filling. You're going to get a neat bowl. Now into the bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour. I'm still going to capture the measurement in the video. Then I'll go in with my sugar. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness to your taste, but this is the standard measurement, Chef Jamie's recipe. I'll be super excited if you can go with my recipe because I always bring the best for you. But I also understand the part that people's taste bud differs. Even my taste bud and that of my husband literally is insane. God is great. Then we'll go in with our salt. Using your whisk, you're going to give it a very good mix. When it comes to making crust, make sure that your butter is in the freezer or in the fridge chilling. Like, it has to be very cold for you to get a very soft and flaky crust. Another thing is the water too has to be very cold, like ice cold water. That's the water we are using for this recipe. This step is very important for you to get the best crust in the whole wide world. So I'm going to my freezer now to go get my butter and the ice cold water. This is my butter, very cold. I'm just going to put it right inside the flour. Make sure your hands are clean because they are going to work right now. Another thing I would like to tell you is do not over mix your dough. You're not making chin chin. This one requires premium pampering. In a separate bowl, you are going to be cracking 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of ice cold water. Emphasis on the ice cold water, guys. Then I'll put in my water now. Told you make sure your hands are clean because you're going to be making use of your hands. Everything here has to be super cold and do not overwork your dough. Our goal now is to make sure there is no flour remaining that has not formed a dough. See this? We have the dough just where we want it to be. I'll go straight to wrap it in a clean film and keep it in the fridge to rest for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Alright beautiful people, let's move on to the next stage, which is making our apple pie filling. For this recipe, you're going to be needing 3 medium-sized apples, and I have this, my amazing apple cutter that I love. Like, it does the job well for me. See how I'm going to use this. Watch out, guys. Take your apple, put it in the middle and press it all the way down. That is it. So you see the seed is out and you have your perfect apples. You see this? See how this apple cutter actually, see what it does. It's totally optional. You can peel the back of your apples. My apples are ready. I'll just go ahead and toast them with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is 1 of lemon juice. The other part is going to get. In a separate pan, we'll go ahead to make our caramel base. Put on your heaters. In the pan, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we go in with our brown sugar. You're going to add a tablespoon of honey. To this I'll add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'll go in with my apples. Can you see how our apples are still looking fresh? I'm going to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. As it is cooking, let's get the thickener ready, which is cornstarch paste. Finally, we'll add just a pinch of salt to balance the taste. You know how we do the sugar-salt balance, right? I always love it. Even when I'm making my peanut burgers, I always like balancing the sweetness with that salty taste. Oh, it's just out of this world. We have this pie sauce just where we want it to be, guys. Just see it. Just look at it. Woo! It's looking so yum. Okay, beautiful people, welcome back. Now we're going to the next stage, which is shaping our apple pies. I'm going to be trying out something new, just trying to be more creative, right? And for this stage, what you will need, your cold dough. It has been in the fridge, not the freezer. You need your pizza cutter, you need a craft knife, and you need this rolling pin. Actually, I got this rolling pin for my pastries, but Ziba is thinking I actually bought this for her, so that whenever I am making use of the bigger one for my fondant, she can actually use this. She was so happy when I got this, even though I bought it for entirely a different reason, but that's fine. The filling is cold. Mind you, we are not overworking our dough. Even at this stage, you need to be careful. And maybe a measuring cup or a scale or something to, get the perfect sizes for all your pies. You need to set aside a little flour that you can use to dust the place so it doesn't stick. Transferring this into my baking tray. Alright, beautiful people, our pie is out of the oven. And this is what we have. Yummy, yummy in our tummy. I cannot wait to have a bite. Let's try. Thank you so much, my beautiful people, for baking this yummy apple pie with me. Do not forget, please like the video, drop your comments. I want to know in the comment section if you're going to be giving this yummy apple pie recipe a try. If today happens to be your first time of being on my channel or coming across my video, please subscribe and hit the alarm bell so that whenever I post another recipe, YouTube will notify you that Chef Jemmy just posted a video. And to my amazing subscribers, I want to say thank you for all your support and your love towards this channel and towards me as a person. I'm definitely going to be seeing you in my next recipe. Take care, God bless you, and I love you. Bye guys.